Hello guys, we're gonna play knife only or sniper only. So let's go. Okay, it's time to sniper only or knife only. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, it's here. Now I'm going to play. Okay. But first, let's wait. Okay. I'm a sniper only.
Hindi ako makaano eh. Akin na, dali. Matayo, hindi na may shot. TikTok, ayun o, 270, ano ba yan? Ano to? Reto. Ano kaya?
Okay.
270, sabi mo, ano, 300, ano?
Hoy! Basahin mo! Basta!
Ilan yun? Ilan yung order mo?
Ano? Tatlo. Dalawang TikTok tsaka ano? Ay, hindi!
Dami-dami order mo.
Bakit lang? Mura lang lagi.
Ba't nakalagay yung negative 300, 270 na?
Minus yan!
Kaya nga negative minus yan.
Bro, he's AFK. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ayan o.
Okay.
Ayan o. Ayan o.
Ano ka ano negative?
Minus, ano ba negative? Sa minus, ito mo, inaiba ko lang.
Okay. He's AFK. I'm going to just kill him up all rounds. Next, I'm gonna knife only. But one round. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I need 2 more to just complete it. Oh.
Basta 50 na na. O sige,
Moving again.
Wala pa.
Bro, he's Audo. He's Audo. I'm gonna Audo.
Basta pag dumating na lahat yung order mo. Boss, may ginagawa ako doon.
Oh, okay. You're gonna sniper katana. I'm going to katana. Okay.
270
Okay. Time to just. Okay.
basta order mo 139.
May 300 pa ako.
Crouch.
Meron pa ako 190. Sige, 150 mo.
Saan na? Pag dumating na, wala. Hindi na kasi lahat. O, ilagay mo dito sa maliit na box. Dito mo ilagay yung
Okay. Okay. Let's just remove Audo and we're gonna knife only next. But I'm gonna say it. Knife only. Okay. Okay. Knife only. Knife only. Knife only, knife only, knife only. Okay, let's just knife. Bow daggers, knife, satchel. I know how to use satchel now. Okay.
gusto mo, uunin mo na ba? Sa'yo mo.
I think I'm gonna end this video if I am win. Bro, he's cheating. Bro, he is gonna lose while I'm not. Okay. Boom, boom, boom.
Uy, madaga na yung mga make-up ko.
Ikat mo yan?
Baby girl, ang ganda mo.
He's just stupid because he's a cheater. Like, why? Ano yan? Huwag ka maingay.
Sino ba nakakalip sa'yo? Sino nakakalip?
We're just... Just win, bro. I don't care. Like, I'm gonna win. Just joking. Hello. Hello. Miss. Hello. Boom. Okay. Now, with the final touch. Finish him. Finish him. Finish him. Oh. Okay. Maybe it's good now. Okay.
Tanga, lutuin mo.
Now, the last move. Boom. Now we're done. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.